Patanjali Ayurveda Ltd said that it had stopped the sale of 14 products whose manufacturing licenses were suspended by the Uttarakhand State Licensing Authority in April this year. It informed the Supreme Court that it had instructed 5,606 franchise stores to withdraw these products. Media platforms have been directed to remove advertisements of these 14 products across all formats. On July 30, a bench of Justices Hima, Kholi and Sandeep Mehta will hear the petition. The court ordered Patanjali Ayurveda Ltd to file an affidavit within 2 weeks explaining whether or not the request to social media intermediaries for the removal of advertisements was fulfilled. This comes as Supreme Court hears a petition by Indian Medical Association alleging Patanjali's misinformation campaign against the COVID vaccinations effort and modern medicines. The Uttarakhand State Licensing Authority earlier told the SC that manufacturing licenses of 14 products of Patanjali Ayurveda Ltd and Divya Pharmacy have been suspended with immediate effect. The Supreme Court postponed its decision on May 14 on the contempt notice issued to Yoga Guru Ramdev and aide Balkrishna and Patanjali Ayurveda Ltd in the misleading advertisements cases. For such more news and updates, subscribe to Daily Salar Digital.